You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's fix Facebook video lag on your phone. First, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Close the Facebook app and restart it. Clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings. General iPhone storage. Update the Facebook app from your App Store. Update your phone's operating system. Restart your phone to refresh all processes. In the Facebook app, adjust video quality settings. Go to Menu, Settings and Privacy, Settings, then Media and Contacts. Tap Videos and Photos and set video quality to SD only. For smoother playback, disable autoplay for videos in the same menu to let videos load before playing. If using a browser, clear your browser cache and cookies. Try using a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. The lag could also be due to Facebook servers. Wait a while and try again. Ensure your phone has enough storage space, as a full device can slow performance. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.